morning. It's Tuesday morning in the real world. For us, it's our second full sea day. And the sunrise is ahead of the ship, so we're like starting that eastward bound track. So we're not seeing the sunrise this morning. But on our way headed back north later on this week, we'll be on the sunrise side of the ship, on the starboard side. I was out here watching this morning some birds. Sometimes you'll see some birds out here. Sometimes they stay with the ship. Sometimes they fly to the ship. I don't know. I'm not a biologist. I don't study the birds. I think they call that another form of biologist. But anyway, they're sitting out here watching, and they're flying real close to the water. And they're fishing. They dive down into the water and go fishing. It's pretty neat. I always enjoy watching the little stuff like that. See, I don't understand why, people get these balcony staterooms and they don't utilize the balconies. You'll see them up there sunbathing up on the Lido deck, and 11 and 12 or whatever, around all the people, I'm gonna get my money's worth out of this balcony. I'm gonna tell you. But anyway, slept good last night, which is good. Best night's sleep I've had in a couple days. And just out here just trying to wake up and get the day going. I'm sure we'll be going to sea day brunch here in a couple hours. Boy, ain't nothing like the... Ooh, my head is white. Need to work on that. Ain't nothing like the waters down here in the Caribbean, man. So blue. So, I'm drinking the Twilight Zone. These are like, supposed to be like blue. Now, I had 2 Twilight Zones. This is my second one. The first one tasted awesome. It was so good. It was on our first day. Later on that day, I had a Miami Vice. Did not taste like a Miami Vice at all. It was kind of dull, you know? Kind of dull. Like no sweetness to it at all. Then yesterday I had my second Miami Vice, and it tasted like it should. And I got that out of the bar in the atrium bar. And this one, I think this one probably came from the Tides pool, because we were on the Lido sitting down and the guy came up, said, hey, you know, you want something to drink? I said, yeah, sure, give me a Twilight Zone. This one just ain't tasting like it should be. Now it's still good, but I don't know why it is on this cruise that it's hit and miss on these drinks. But anyway, and these waters sure are blue down here in the Caribbean, you know?
competition. So ladies, put the hula hoop around you. Keep those shoes on for me, baby. I need my job. Put them shoes back on for me, please. Thank you. Because I'll be back at Carnival before you know it. Listen. Face the audience. Audience, help me count it down in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, ladies. Make some noise for Louisiana. Congratulations. Ma'am, your hips went out a long time ago, sweetie. It's all right. Y'all make some noise for the ladies right here. All right, gentlemen, step forward, gentlemen. Step forward, gentlemen, step forward. Here we go. Let's find out who we have right here, right now. Hello, sir. What is your name? Where are you from?
James from Mississippi.
James from Mississippi. If you're from Mississippi, make some noise. That's the whole state right there. Listen. Hello, sir. What's your name? Where are you from?
I'm Mark from Michigan.
Mark from Michigan. He sounds so thrilled. I would hate it too if I was from Michigan. And last but not least, hello, sir. What's your name? Where are you from? Bobby or J. Rose? Bobby from Louisiana! Yo, Louisiana, Michigan, Mississippi, assume the position. We're just trying to see which one of you can keep it up the longest. Listen, gentlemen, assume it, let's go. Audience, count down to 3, 2, 1, let's go. What the hell is going on? Y'all make some noise for these guys over here, ladies and gentlemen. At least we know they don't last long. Come on over here. Listen, ladies. Ladies, come on over here. Now you know we can't come to Getaway Island without having a little limbo competition. So what's gonna happen right here, right now, you all are gonna go one by one down and under this limbo line right here, right now. So I'm telling you, we're gonna start with the ladies first. Who's going first, ladies? Who's going first? Everybody clap, 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 clap. Let's go, music up, please. Perfect, all right, let's go. All right, gentlemen, it's your turn. Let's go, gentlemen. Okay. All right, take it down 2 notches. 2. All right, ladies, here we go. Somebody about to pull a back muscle. Okay, Louisiana. Let's go, ma'am. Let's. I got you. I know, ma'am, you're nervous. You haven't had this much chocolate since Valentine's Day. Let's see. Okay. All right. Let's go, Auntie. We got this. Ooh. All right. Gentlemen, let's go. Let's get it. Oh, sir. What was that? Mississippi. Sir, that was the old man crawl through right there. All right, Michigan, what you got? All right. Last round. Who's gonna take it for everybody? Let's go. Everybody clap, 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 clap. Just hit him with one of these. Ooh. All right. Let's go. What you got, ma'am? Break it. Perfect. All right, sir. What you got, sir? Come on in. What you got? Yo, Mississippi, I want to see how low you can get. How low can you go? Oh, how low can you get back up on your back? Go out, child. Now, all right, Michigan, what you got? Let's see what you got, Michigan.